You can use the match function to identify and mark matching or non-matching records. Insert data list in 2 columns. Use data validation to identify the kind of data you are trying to match. In the Data tab, click Data Validation. Select List, Input Range, click OK. Enter the comparison formula in selected cell. Use the match function nested inside another Excel function. A cell of the identifier column is compared against the second list to see if it matches one of them. If it doesn't match, the word TRUE will be displayed. If it does match, the record is present. The word false will be displayed. You can also use match function to determine the position number of the record in the list.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.